In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split or combine text cells with Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a small personal project or working on a more extensive data set, Google Sheets offers handy tools to efficiently split and combine text data. Let's dive into it. First, we'll start by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't already have one that you're working on, head over to Google Sheets and create a new document. You'll notice several tabs and options laid out neatly to help you manage your data effectively. Now, assuming you have some data to work with, click on column A. This action highlights everything within that column, essentially setting it as the primary focus for the next steps. This selection is important because it tells Google Sheets where you want to make changes specifically. Once column A is selected, locate the data option from the menu bar at the top of the page and click on it. This option opens up a new menu with various data-related functions that can be performed. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Split Text to Columns. Go ahead and choose it. This feature is incredibly useful when you have text data combined in a single column and you want to break it into separate segments based on delimiters such as commas, spaces, or other characters. Upon selecting Split Text to Columns, you'll notice a small pop-up menu appear, offering to detect automatically. Click on the Detect Automatically option. This allows Google Sheets to intelligently choose how to split the text. Sometimes, however, you may need to guide it, especially if all entries are uniformly structured. To do this manually, click on Space, which tells Sheets to treat spaces as the point at which to split text. This setting is particularly helpful when you're dealing with names such as first-last, where a space is naturally the dividing character. Next, to combine data from two separate cells back together, click on cell C2. This step readies the cell to receive the resulting combined text. Here, you'll want to type in the formula x concatenate A2 is B2. The concatenate function takes the contents of cell A2, adds a space, and follows it with the contents of cell B2. Think of it as digitally stitching two parts together with precision. To maximize efficiency, rather than typing this formula for every row, use the autofill tool. Just click on the small blue square at the bottom right of cell C2 and drag it downward across the other rows. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references in the formula to match each respective row. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily split and combine text in Google Sheets, making your data easier to manage and interpret. Happy data organizing!